Hey folks, how's it going? Today, we're in for some breathtaking scenery. We're taking you to explore a neighborhood, a beach, and a mountain with an incredible view. We're talking about the well-known neighborhood of Itacoatiara in Niterói, a city located just 30 minutes away from Rio de Janeiro. We'll be driving, and from downtown Rio de Janeiro, it takes about 40 minutes to reach Itacoatiara. Before we check out the beach in this area, let's take a look at it from above. We'll hike up a mountain called Costam de Itacuachtiara along a trail. Costam de Itacuachtiara is the perfect destination for tourists seeking adventure and a connection with nature. The trail, located within a natural reserve, offers a beautiful view of the sea and the surrounding mountains, guaranteeing a wonderful experience for its visitors. The path to the mountaintop isn't too challenging, and you'll get to admire the most stunning natural landscapes in the region. The trail section is considered moderate and is approximately 2 kilometers long, round trip, with just over 200 meters of altitude gain. During the hike, you'll pass through steeper sections, including a massive rock. Some parts of the trail have handrails to assist both in ascending and descending. Depending on your pace and physical condition, you can reach the end of the Costam de Itacuachtiara trail in less than 30 minutes. Though it's a quick hike, it can be a bit tiring, but the view from the top is worth every step and effort. For an even safer adventure, wear sneakers and comfortable clothing, and don't forget a hat or cap and a water bottle. If you plan to spend more time there, bring a snack. Never attempt the hike in flip-flops or open-toed shoes, as they may come loose or even break during the journey. If you want to take a dip in the sea at Itacoatiara Beach, which is at the foot of the rock, wear swimwear underneath your clothes. Besides enjoying the pleasant forested path and breathing in the fresh air while listening to the sounds of nature, when we reach the mountaintop, we're rewarded with a stunning view. After we've taken in the incredible view from the mountaintop and descended, we'll take a short 3-minute walk to Itacoatiara Beach. This is the only beach in Niterói that doesn't offer a view of the city of Rio de Janeiro, providing a unique visual compared to other beaches in the city. Situated between the beaches of Itapu and Itaquaçu, the waters at Itacoatiara are crystal clear with shades of emerald blue, and the beach is surrounded by lush vegetation. On one side, there's the Costam and the Pedra do Elefante, and on the other side lies the Morro das Andorinhas, which also attracts adventurous tourists. The beach isn't very large, and the area's climate is quite tranquil since it's in a more secluded spot. However, during the high season, you'll find many tourists and surfers there. To the right, you'll find the Pedra do Pampo, where there's little beach with calm waters, perfect for enjoying with children. Along the entire length of the beach, there are stalls selling food and drinks, as well as chairs and umbrellas. Here, tourists from all over Brazil and the world come to find a bit of tranquility on this unique beach in Rio de Janeiro, known for its peaceful atmosphere. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual visit to Costam and Itacoatiara Beach. If you want to explore more amazing places and discover more enchanting corners of Brazil, don't forget to follow us here on the channel, leave a like, and share our channel with friends. Until the next adventure.